Hello everyone, this is me Janice here and welcome to my channel. Wow, my lips look really bright today. That's because I was trying out my new lipstick. Yeah, she's cute. So anyways, moving on to the video. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips and tricks that are going to make your nail paint last longer than they usually do. So every time I use these tips and I paint my nails, they last for like several weeks, or they can even go up to months if I don't change it up, but I obviously change it up. And people always wonder how they last so long. So this is like almost after a month or so. Yeah, they're not really a lot chapped, a bit, but not a lot. And so I hope this video helps you out. So if it does, please give it a like. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notifications. Share this video, comment what you felt about it, give me some new suggestions. Here's my Instagram ID. You can follow me there, so let's go. So we're just gonna start off by scraping the sides and removing any extra cuticles or dirt. My nails are already pretty clean, but if you have any of this, please get it off. I'm doing the same with another tool. This tool is sharper so it gets really in, and remember to take out all the dead skin because it prevents your nail polish from lasting for long. And my nails look a bit yellow. That's because I had previously painted my undernails yellow and it kind of left the tint behind. Now I'm pushing my cuticles behind because this gives more space to my nail and it makes my nail bed look better. This step is super important, so I'm just taking some nail polish remover and just wiping my nails well, because the oils in your nails prevent your nail polish from lasting longer. And this is why some people's nail art just comes out in like a day or two. So let's remove all the oils. So just use some rubbing alcohol or any kind of nail polish remover that you have, but make sure you do. Now that my nails are all clean, people usually go with a base coat, but I don't really use it. So after the main part where we're gonna paint our nails, so guys, please don't judge my nail painting skills. My hands are really shaky, so I get it all over my fingers and even on my surroundings, but that's all fine I guess, because in the end I'm just gonna clean it up, and even if I don't clean it up, it's just gonna go, so that's not a problem. Not the most satisfying nail painting video, I know, but this is not a nail painting video. This is about making your nail paint last longer, so this is no ASMR. Now this is a trick that I've been doing lately and it really helps. I paint my inner nails too, and this really helps with like the water getting in, and it keeps my nails stronger, so you can do that. This is the part where I clean my nails, so I took this angular brush and I dipped it in some nail paint remover and just going all through my cuticles and everything. This doesn't get out all of it, but it does to some extent, and it just goes away the sides, you know, it looks all clear the next day. A lot of people skip this step, but just adding an extra clear coat on top will make your nails look so much better and even make them last longer, so do that. So these are my final nails and they look really blue in this camera, so for reference this is the actual color. It's like an emerald green. I like it, it's pretty. So I just finished shooting this video and I really hope that you liked it and it was helpful to you. So meet you in the video. Bye.